Greetings, Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has a new article about HTML5 game physics moving elastic collisions. The link is ojambo.com/html5-game-physics-moving-elastic-collisions. So this is the third part of the series. As usual, you can expand the source to get the source code, and a quick demonstration will be bouncing off the sides of the canvas. Okay, so if you ever need help with web or mobile applications for BlackBerry or Android or iPhone, please visit ojamboservices.com. That's ojamboservices.com in the Toronto, Ontario area. Okay, this is where we left off last time. I'll just run this again, just so you notice it just bounces off only on the bottom canvas using acceleration and gravity. So what we will do, let's begin today's tutorial. So obviously we're going to change this part to moving elastic collisions. Basically it will give us a nice bounce feel to it. You can use this for games. Okay, and moving elastic collisions. So everything will pretty much stay the same. The only difference is we're going to give it a vertical velocity and a horizontal velocity, and this still be updating every 20 milliseconds, and the drawing, the velocity, the position will stay the same. We're not going to apply a drag or friction or velocity to gravity to velocity. Instead we'll just concentrate on the collisions. So there are 4 sides to the canvas. First we'll work on the horizontal collision. This is what we'll do is we'll work on the rightmost first. Basically, if the position is the same as the width minus the character width, we know we have reached the rightmost place. So we'll change the position to make it what we want to be the rightmost place, and change the velocity will be the opposite. That's why we use the negative sign. And now for the leftmost, we don't want the character to obviously go out of the canvas, so we just make it 0. Oh, that's wrong. It should be left, and the one on top would be the right. It's very simple. It's always faster to write your own instead of using some libraries, especially for very simple character collisions. And obviously it will just be the same. It will be positive in this case, not negative. Okay, so we're done for the horizontal part. I'll just, so you notice there, the reason for that is obviously because we don't have the vertical part. So we're going to create the collisions for the vertical when it hits the canvas on the bottom and the top. Okay, once again, this time we'll use the y coordinates and the canvas height. So once again we create a minimum for the bottom, which will be the canvas height minus the width of the height of the character, and then the vertical velocity will become the negative. So that will be when it reaches the bottom. And it's the exact same thing, except now when it reaches the top, obviously we don't want it to go outside, so we will give it a position of 0, and then vertical velocity will just be the positive. And we are done. Everything else stays the same. Scroll down so you can see better. Everything stays the same as before, and We can run this now. As you can see, it bounces off all the sides anywhere randomly, and you should be able to now create your own HTML5 games. I hope you find this tutorial useful. The tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.